Hello everyone! Today we're going to learn about farm animals and how they are very useful to us. But first, we need to know, where do the farm animals live? Does anybody know? Excellent! They live in a farm or a barn. We all know that farm animals help the farmer with his work on the farm. And also they provide us with lots of healthy products. Now, are you ready to start our tour on the farm? Let's go! Cow. The cow is a very useful animal. It gives us milk and red meat. Donkey. It is a useful animal. It's used for pulling carts and carrying heavy things. Ox. The ox is a very strong animal. It's used for plowing the field. Sheep. The sheep has got long and soft fur that's cut and made into wool. This wool we use to make clothes that warm us in winter. Also, it gives us red meat. Chicken. The chicken lays eggs almost every day. These eggs we eat on breakfast. Yummy. Also, it gives us white meat. Rooster. The rooster is the boy chicken. It makes a unique sound like an alarm to wake the farmer up in the morning. Horse. It runs very fast, and so it's used for carrying people as well as heavy things. Also, it's used for pulling carts. Goat. It's a very useful animal, as it gives us milk and meat. Duck. The duck is a bird, but it can't fly because it's fat and heavy. It gives us eggs and meat. Rabbit. The rabbit is a cute little fairy animal that runs very fast and eats carrots. Also, it gives us meat. Dog. The dog is very helpful and considered as the man's best friend. It guards the farm from thieves with care. That's it for today. Bye-bye.